Hey team, just wanted to give you a super quick and easy tutorial on our new battery powered LED uplights. These lights are going to be appearing in a lot of places as they become a new standard for a lot of our portable locations and any foyer setups and things that we do. So in a bag or one pack, you'll get 4 of these lights, and they can be operated completely wireless and on battery power, or you can cable them to a lighting desk and run them on cabled power if you want. But for most of the time, the reason why we bought this is quick and easy to set up and can run on battery. So super easy. We just flick them over. On the bottom, we have single power switch there. Flick it on. Straight away, it's going to come on generally however you left it. So for most of the time, you guys are just going to turn them on and throw them up against a wall, throw them up against a drape to light something up. And each week they'll just come back the way you left it. Now, in the bag, you get one of these remotes with the different colors on it. Point it at it, and point it at the top. The sensor is actually at the top of the light. And you can just scroll through and just change the colors like so. Now, there are many different modes on this light. For most time, I think you're going to be changing it with the remote. But however, if somebody had pressed the menu button down here, you can start to see that will go through different menus. And for example, now it's color scrolling and going off at start. If it was doing that, chances are most of these modes, the remote is then going to get overridden. So if it does happen, you can go through to the menu, keep pressing that menu. It's a bit hard to see the screen until you see S-TR. That's a bit hard to see. I'll see if I can pass some shadow. S-TR is the mode that you want. And when we're on that, then we should be able to get, there we go, some remote action happening there. Now, other features of this light is there is a battery indicator on the front. So you can see that we're at 25% battery at the moment. So that's going to need a charge, which I'll show you how to do in a sec. Other feature is, it doesn't just have to sit straight up like that. You can actually angle it as well. On the bottom here, it's got a little foot underneath it. So if we press in this lever here, the foot can then come down in an adjustable angle, sit it up, and then you can angle it up against the wall like so. If we're doing it against drape or something like that, probably just going to have it straight up most of the time, but whatever works. When it comes time to charge or at the end of service, we just go down, flick the power button, and underneath, we'll see in here, we've got DMX in and out for connecting it to a lighting desk, and we've got power in and out. All the power cables are located inside the bags, and it's just a straight IEC power lead. So we're just going to go ahead, plug that into the IEC, throw that in the power. They're piggyback as well, which means you could charge all 4 of these off one power point really easily just by piggybacking them up. Some of you might be able to leave these charge midweek, which would be really nice. If not, maybe when you get them out, if you see that they're on low charge before a service, throw them into a power point when you start setting up. By the time you finish setting up, you should be able to take them off charge, flick them on, throw them out, and they should be able to last you the service. They are pretty quick charging. And to pack away, we just put the power leads back into the pocket with the remote, and our LEDs just sit 4 to a case. And that is just about all you need to know about our new LED lighting kits. Have fun.